Hi guys, Facey here, and just thought I'll shoot this quick video to show you the process that I go through in updated Ranking Factory Reloaded from version 1.9.0, which is what I had installed on my computer. I never upgraded to the 1.9.9, so I skipped that and I just did the upgrade to, or the update to the 1.1.01, and I'm just going to show you the process that I went through. So I didn't uninstall anything, I just ran this updater 1.1.01. okay, so let's go into it. So what I did, I ran the updater. I didn't start the program when I finished the updater, but what I did do is restarted my computer, run CCleaner, and now when I open Ranking Factory Revolution, it takes me to this screen that's asking me to authorize my Google APIs for individual accounts listed in the tool. So I did the first one, so I'm going to go through the second one and the subsequent ones so that you get an idea of what's taking place, and let's see how it works out for me. So let's go ahead and do the next one. So I have it selected. I'm just going to go ahead and click Authorize API. That's going to bring up the screen, and it's going to fill in my email, it's going to fill in my password, and then it's going to ask me to select which account. I'm going to go ahead and allow, and that should disappear, and it brings up the next one, which is Donald. I'm going to go ahead and authorize that one. And you'll see down here it tells you your email and the password that it's going to use to fill in the form with the private browser, as you can see here, private browser. So I'm just going to scroll down to this one, click allow, okay, and then authorize the next one. So at this point I could have stopped and just go through the rest without you seeing what's happening on screen, but I'm just going to go ahead and let it run just in case there are any hiccups or anything that pops up that might be a challenge. Then I want you to see that as well. And almost done. And this should just give you an idea that if you have a lot of Gmail accounts in the Ranking Factory, then you're going to be sitting here for a good little while just going through this process. But the good thing is you just have to do it once. Almost there. After this one, I'm going to see how many we have left to do, and let's go ahead, allow. Okay, I think that's the last one, so not too bad. Okay, what's happening here? Okay, so this one I'm going to stop it and go again. See, that's the reason why I decided I wasn't gonna go ahead and pause the video. I wanted you to see whatever hiccups that arises in the process. Okay, and now it looks like I should be good to go. And the only thing that I don't necessarily like is that it's showing my passwords here. I wish there were hidden characters here and not show the passwords like that. Alright, so then it looks like everything is all good to go, and if I ever need to update anything, I guess I would just come over here and hit the update authorization here. But there's no need for us to do that, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it at this and continue on with using the tool as normal. So now you see that we updated to 1.1.01, and I did this without uninstalling anything, and I upgraded from 1.9.0 to 1.1.01. Alright, hope that helps. Again, this is Facey, and good luck, guys and girls.